What does a typical presale cleaning service include?
Our professional presale cleaning service is tailored to showcase your home at its best and make it photo and inspection ready. We work to real estate and styling standards, not just clean enough. Here's what's typically included in our Presale Deep Clean kitchen full wipe down of all cupboards, inside and out. Range hood degrease, cooktop, oven and microwave clean, sink and tap polish, bench tops, splashback, appliance exteriors, bathroom scrubbing of shower screens, tiles and grout, toilet sanitization, mirrors polished, cabinetry and vanities cleaned inside and out, general areas, dusting of skirting boards, window sills, light switches, cobweb removal such as walls, ceilings, corners, internal windows and glass doors cleaned, wipe down of doors, architraves and frames, floor vacuum and mop throughout, add-ons available, steam cleaning of carpets and rugs, pressure washing outdoor areas, cleaning balconies, patios or garages, decluttering and light rubbish removal, spot cleaning walls, fridge and freezer cleaning. This is not your average domestic clean. This is a curated, detail-driven clean with buyer psychology in mind. Every surface is polished, every room feels fresh and inviting, and the result is a property that sells faster and for more.